This 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak 248 BHSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, oven, microwave, awning, air conditioning, LP detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, TV, leveling jacks, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.